Did you know your ability to reach an instant erection isn't purely psychological? Groundbreaking studies have identified a small pelvic muscle responsible for erection control, and it can be triggered naturally. No chemicals, no devices, no external stimulation. This tiny structure, known as the BC muscle, reacts to specific botanical compounds proven to enhance sexual stamina and vascular pressure within seconds. Scientists at the Institute of Male Vitality observed that when this muscle is supported by a precise natural formula, rich in bioactive nutrients, men experience stronger erections, improved circulation, and renewed confidence. One of the most remarkable discoveries is how the muscle responds to adaptogens and vasodilators, like Epimedium, Tribulus Terrestris, and Tongkat Ali. Ingredients clinically studied for their testosterone-enhancing and blood flow-boosting properties. These elements form the basis of a male supplement strategy that focuses on sustainable results through nature and physiology rather than synthetic stimulation. Research involving over 2,000 participants showed measurable increases in erection strength, libido, and overall performance. Users described results in days, not weeks, many reporting a sense of control over their sexual response like never before. This mechanism doesn't just increase blood volume, it reactivates the BC muscle, enhancing contractility and oxygen delivery to critical tissue, which translates into faster, harder, and longer-lasting erections. By reinforcing this vascular-muscular synergy through a targeted natural formula, this protocol has revolutionized the concept of male supplement support. The data reveals optimized hormonal balance, consistent sexual stamina, and elevated confidence, all without synthetic compounds. It's a scientific benchmark that merges ancient botanical wisdom with cutting-edge bioengineering, giving men a new path to sexual vitality grounded in anatomy, not psychology. To explore the full clinical research behind this vascular-muscular activation mechanism and understand how natural ingredients can trigger instant erection and sustained sexual stamina, access the peer-reviewed studies now. Access the clinical data, link in video description,